Hi foodies, welcome back to Mellowbites Saladelicious series episode number 7. And in today's episode, we are making a pasta chicken salad that's not only delicious but also a complete and satisfying meal. Let's get started. To a white pot, add 1.5 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Here we have 100 grams of chicken marinated with salt, pepper and oregano, giving it a zesty and herby kick. Once the water boils, add half tablespoon of olive oil, some salt and half cup of whole wheat pasta. Now place a steamer plate over the pasta water and place the marinated chicken on it. This way we are steaming the chicken and boiling the pasta simultaneously. Alternatively, you can pressure cook the chicken with a little water for a whistle. Cook everything for about 10 minutes. Here you go. The chicken is perfectly cooked and tender and the pasta is just right. Strain off any excess water and let both cool. Chop the chicken into bite-sized cubes. Now, our veggies that goes into the salad are all chopped and ready. Let's prepare the Parmesan vinaigrette dressing. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. It's rich and tangy. A tablespoon of white wine vinegar. It's mildly acidic and zesty. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's really heart healthy. And 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Warm and savory. Whisk everything together until it emulsifies into a creamy dressing. Time to add salt and pepper to taste and give it another quick whisk until you reach a beautiful salad dressing consistency. Time to assemble the salad. In a large salad bowl, add the cooked pasta. It's our wholesome carb base. The cooked chicken that's been cubed, it's a lean protein hero. 1 chopped tomato, it's a vitamin C boost. Half cup of chopped green bell pepper, that's antioxidant rich. 1 chopped onions, it's definitely immune boosting. 1 chopped carrot, it's a great source of beta carotene. And a cup of lettuce, it's hydrating and low calorie. Here we go with half cup of chopped apple, a fruit that gives fiber and natural sweetness. This vibrant mix of whole grains, protein, fresh veggies and fruit gives you a balanced combo of nutrients, fiber and flavor all in just one bowl. Now time to drizzle the dressing over the salad and mix well to coat every ingredient. And there you have it, a super healthy, hearty and tasty pasta chicken salad ready to energize your day. Subscribe for more such recipes and meet you in another video. Until then, bye.